Gartner reviewed 20 data science and machine learning platforms and put them in its familiar Magic Quadrant.
That report's 46 pages long. We read it so you don't have to.
Unless you want to.
Here's what you need to know.
What's up, everyone? My name is Estevan McCalley.
And I'm Ken Sanford.
Data science, machine learning, and AI, it's all really complicated stuff. We started Datagram to help make it simple for you.
If you'd like to learn more, hit the subscribe button right there, or visit datagram.com.
Gartner just reviewed 20 data science and machine learning companies, but if we took a look at each one, we'd be here all day, and we wouldn't get to surf. Bummer. So instead, we're going to take a look at the ones you may be the least familiar with, because they've only been around for the past 25 years, and they've been companies that are dedicated solely to analytics.
That leaves us with 9 vendors. We're going to bucket those 9 vendors into 3 groups. One for coders, one for clickers, and one solely dedicated to AutoML. In addition, Gartner provides 3 pros and cons for each of those vendors, and we're going to simplify those as much as possible.
Awesome. Let's dive in.
First up for the coders is Anaconda. Gartner's 3 benefits are that it's flexible, has open source safeguards, and promotes sharing. For Anaconda, Gartner warns the MLOps offering is incomplete, there are tech support challenges, and it's just for coders.
Next up, we have Datapricks. Gartner says the pros are that it runs on multiple clouds, it's a power tool for power users, and it's easy to buy. On the other hand, Gartner warns that with Databricks, it's for coders only, there's no responsible AI safeguards, and there's growing competition from cloud providers.
Next up is Domino. Gartner lists 3 pros. 1, it's great for large teams. 2, it's got a complete MLOps offering. And 3, runs on hybrid architecture. For Domino, Gartner warns it's really only good for big data science teams. 2, they have low market awareness. And 3, most of their features at this point are table stakes.
And now, for the point and click category, let's kick it off with Alteryx. Gartner says that the pros for Alteryx is that it caters to both coders and clickers, it's easy to buy, and they have happy users. On the other hand, Gartner warns that for Alteryx, they have a questionable product strategy, an expensive server offering, and a lot of technical debt.
For Dataiku, the pros are it's an end-to-end pipeline for clickers. 2, there's a recent focus on a high ROI. And 3, it's a fast-growing company. For Dataiku, Gartner cautions that the software requires a lot of customization, can be expensive for small teams, and potentially tries to address too many personas.
Next up, we have Nime. Gartner says that the pros are Nime has a visual workflow, a cohesive offering, and a freemium purchase model. On the other hand, for Nime, Gartner says that they're immature for the large enterprise, they don't have a responsible AI framework, and they don't have a lot of customers.
Next up, Rapidminer. The pros, it's very good for clickers and coders. There's a new feature store in the tool, and there's features for admins and explainable AI. For Rapidminer, Gartner warns it's a low-growth, low-innovation company, basic ML functionality, and just a few enterprise customers. And now for the last bucket, the AutoML companies.
Next on our list is DataRobot. Gartner says that the pros are that it's easy to buy, they focus on customer success, and they've had lots of acquisitions. On the other hand, for DataRobot, Gartner says the cons are they've had too many acquisitions, focused too much on customer success, and not had enough acquisitions.
Next up is H2O. Gartner lists the strengths as a hands-free AutoML offering, explainable AI by default, and H2O is constantly putting out new product. For H2O, Gartner warns there's no data access and data prep in the product, there's no OEM strategy, and there's little connection between products.
Wow, Ken, that was a lot of material, and it was a lot of fun. We hope that you folks got something out of it.
If you like what you saw, leave us a comment below, give us a like. But hey, how about we go surfing?
Let's do it. All right, folks, we'll see you out there, and have an awesome day.